Hey there everyone! Lately, Windows 10 updates have become notorious for breaking and corrupting files. In my case, the latest cumulative update effectively rendered some of my programs unusable. Even PowerShell was not working. Luckily, I've managed to fix it. This is how. First, you need access to the internet for this to work. Launch command prompt as admin. Now, type in DISM /online /cleanup image /RestoreHealth and hit enter. This process will check your Windows files and download the necessary files if found to be incorrect or mismatched. My internet is slow, so let's speed up the process. Now, after it's done, type in sfc/scannow and hit enter. This will scan and fix any corrupt files. Again, let's speed things up. As you can see, there is no problem in my case. I have already fixed the issue. However, you will get one of two messages. The first will be Windows Resource Protection found corrupt files and successfully repaired them. In this case, you do not need to do the third step, but it's still recommended. The second message will be Windows Resource Protection found corrupt files and could not repair them. If you get the second message, do not panic. The last step will most likely fix it. Now, type in chkdsk/f. Hit enter. Now, type Y to schedule the process on the next restart. Now, restart your PC and let it scan your computer. After restarting your PC, type in sfc scannow again. Now, it should fix the remaining corrupt files. You do not need to restart your PC again, but if you want to be 100% sure, go ahead. Keep in mind that this is not a magic trick that fixes everything. You may have another issue that this process will not fix. However, it will not hurt to try. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped, and see you next time.